The most common question I get asked is how many rows do I need to crank out for a beanie hat on my circular knitting machine? A few things come into play, such as yarn weight, head circumference, and the size of the machine you have. So let's talk about it. Yarn weight. If you're using thinner yarn, you will possibly have to crank out more rows to make it the length you want it to be, but the benefit is it will have more stretch to the fabric. Thicker yarn may require less rows, but it can feel tight on the head. I recommend a DK number 3 weighted yarn or a thinner worsted number 4 weighted yarn for the Sentro circular knitting machine. Make sure the yarn is soft and not too thick or dense. If it's closer to a bulky 5 number weighted yarn, you could have issues with it on your machine. The Craft Yarn Council is a great free resource for crochet and knitting standards. Here's a screenshot so you can go to the website yourself of the head circumference chart. Now, machine size. The Sentro knitting machine comes in 4 sizes, the 48 pin or needle, the 40 needle, the 32, and the 22. I have all 4 sizes. It is an addiction. The other common one is the Addy knitting machines. I do not have one, so I can't really speak to them. But the 48 needle machine will make child to adult size beanie hats in tube mode, which is knitting in the round. This is similar to the King Addy, which is the closest equivalent. It has 46 needles. The 48 pin can make infant size beanie hats, but not in tube mode. You would have to make them in panel mode using less needles on the machine. The 40 needle circular knitting machine will make infant to toddler size hats, usually up to a 1-year-old. Now, this machine could work for older children as well, because again, it all depends on the head size circumference. If you are making a hat for your child and you add more rows, but it still seems too tight on their head in tube mode, it's probably because they have a larger size head, they have grown, they need to go up to the 48 needle machine to get the correct head size circumference so it fits them. But this machine is also great for making quick beanie hats for infants. A lot of people use them to donate them to hospitals. Just check with your local hospitals on what yarn they would like you to use. Next is the 32 needle and the 22 needle. You could possibly use these hats to make very small preemie hats in tube mode or doll size hats. A disclaimer I have with the 22 needle machine is I had to replace the crank handle on this, and I used a company that was on Etsy that now has their own website, and I'm seeing a lot of bad reviews on Facebook that they're taking a very long time to ship out the replacement handles. So just know if you get the 22 circular knitting machine, you may have to troubleshoot with getting a replacement gear or replacement crank handle for this machine. Finally, we come to the list of how many rows. Now, this is a general row count. This is not set in stone. It is just a guide because, again, it could all depend based on those factors we've talked about previous to this. So on your 48 needle circular knitting machine, an adult small to extra large, you're going to want to go in between 120 to 135, and you could need more rows depending on how large the head circumference is or how much hair maybe the person has. Child to extra small adult, 110 to 115 rows. Toddler to child, 95 to 100 rows. On the 40 pin, you can do a 6 to 12 month old, 9 to 100 rows, a 3-month-old, 70 to 80 rows, and an infant, 60 to 66 rows. I personally like the 60 rows because you're not going to have a brim. It's going to come up right by their eyebrows so it doesn't fold down into their eyes because they're an infant. They don't have the dexterity to move the hat out of their eyes or their face if it goes down on them, but that is all personal preference. So again, you might have to play with the number of rows you do using the yarn and depending on the head circumference that you have. So thank you everybody so much for watching, and I'm not affiliated with Sentro, Addy in any way or any yarn company. I'm just a fellow crafter sharing my personal experience and knowledge of using the circular knitting machine for over 6 years. So all these tips that I share and tutorials that I make is based on my own hands-on experience and personal troubleshooting. So I hope these videos help you. That is why I make them, so you can be able to use your circular knitting machine and be able to make awesome projects for your friends and your family and loved ones. And I appreciate everybody's support so much. The way you can support my free tutorials and videos that I make on YouTube and TikTok is one, by watching my videos, by liking them. Follow me if you are not already. Please leave a comment. I love hearing all of your comments and even questions in the comment sections. I'm happy to answer them. Also sharing my videos with fellow crafters. And then I also have a subscription on TikTok or a YouTube membership. I have both options and all my videos on both platforms, just depending on which way you like to watch my tutorials. With the subscription or the membership, you get sneak peeks to tutorials, you get early access, you will get longer step-by-step tutorials as well, and it's slower in real time where I talk you through each step of the project and give you more tips and tricks on how to use that, and also some behind the scenes and some subscription-only chats. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!